you love. Saying goodbye to someone you love is so hard for any man. You say it's just for a while, then you force a smile, and you hope she'll understand. Then a tear appears in her eyes as she tightly holds your hand. Then you let her know that it's time to go. You must leave while you can. Oh, but farewell is a lonely sound when told to someone you love. You know you hurt inside as you wonder why you must leave the one that you love. I'm leaving, darling, but I'll be back one day. Oh, with every silent step you take, each one hurts your heart. As you board the train, you feel a pain that starts as you depart. Yeah, you wipe your eyes so she can't see, 'cause a man should never cry. Now there's just a trace of her crying face as you wave to her goodbye. That's why farewell is a lonely sound when told to someone you love. You know you hurt inside as you wonder why you must leave the one that you love.